Pool Payday's chat feature can fail to load even when the rest of the game works normally, and the first fixes are usually checking the connection, restarting the app, and clearing temporary app data. By the end, you'll know which troubleshooting steps to try first, and when the problem is more likely to be on Pool Payday's side rather than your device. Start by completely closing Pool Payday, instead of simply switching away from it. On Android, open the Recent Apps screen, and swipe Pool Payday away. On iPhone, open the App Switcher, and swipe the app away. Then open Pool Payday again and check the chat feature. If chat still shows a loading screen, check whether other online features are working. If games, account information, or other network features also fail to load, the problem may be your connection rather than chat itself. Switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data, if both are available. If chat works on one connection but not the other, restart your router or reconnect your mobile data before trying again. Next, check for an available Pool Payday update in the Google Play Store or Apple App Store. An outdated app can cause problems when the service changes or when the current version has a known bug. On Android, you can also clear Pool Payday's cache through the app settings. Open Settings, find Apps, select Pool Payday, open Storage, and choose the option to clear the cache. Avoid clearing app data unless you know your login information, because clearing stored data can remove locally saved app information. On iPhone, there is no standard system option to clear an individual app's cache. If restarting the app and checking for updates does not help, reinstalling Pool Payday can refresh its local files. Make sure your account is properly linked before removing the app. There's one more thing to check: whether the chat problem affects everyone. If the game loads normally but chat stays unavailable across different connections and devices, the issue may be server-side. In that situation, changing your phone's settings repeatedly will not fix the service until Pool Payday restores the feature. So, the key fixes are simple. Restart Pool Payday, test another internet connection, install the latest available update, and clear the cache on Android. If chat remains unavailable after those steps, check Pool Payday's official support or status channels for a service issue. Try the connection switch first because it quickly tells you whether the problem is local. If this fixed your Pool Payday chat, like the video and subscribe for more Pool Payday fixes.